Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Audi e-tron at home. You have two primary options for home charging, Level 1 and Level 2. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, offering a slower but accessible charging solution. Level 2 charging, on the other hand, requires a 240-volt outlet, similar to what a clothes dryer uses, providing significantly faster charging speeds. Level 1 charging is the simplest way to power up your e-tron. It uses the charging cable that comes with your vehicle, plugging into any standard 120-volt wall outlet. While it's the slowest option, adding roughly 2 to 5 miles of range per hour, it's perfect for topping off your battery overnight or for those who drive fewer miles daily. It requires no special installation, making it very convenient. For a much quicker charge, Level 2 is the way to go. This system can add 20 to 25 miles of range per hour, fully charging your e-tron in about 8 to 10 hours. It requires a 240-volt outlet and a dedicated charging unit, often called an EVs. Professional installation by a certified electrician is highly recommended to ensure safety and proper functionality. To optimize your home charging experience, consider using your e-tron's built-in scheduling features to charge during off-peak electricity hours, which can save you money. Always ensure any electrical work is performed by a certified professional for safety and compliance. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals we've found for you. This helps support the channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.